Hi everyone, my name's Stuart. I live in New Zealand. This is my Samsung 55-inch 4K TV I bought new. So I've had it a good number of years. It's well out of warranty, but it's failed, and yeah, I'm quite interested. I trained in electronics, so let's have a little look. Model number for a start. So let's have a look. We get down to support. About this TV, and there we go. There's our model number, serial number, etc. Okay, from what I can see online, this LED TV uses two strips of LEDs, one on the left and one on the right, which are completely separate strips. Now I'm guessing the one on the right is failing. They project upwards. Okay, I probably should get my finger out of the screen. Okay, they project upwards through some light diffusing screens. Yeah, this is my basic knowledge of how this TV is actually backlighting itself. Now, as you can see, there's a dark strip just to the right of the middle. There we go. That makes it a little bit easier for you to see. My main concern really, though, is this right-hand corner, where you'll see some really brown discoloration and flaring. Yeah, sorry, I am pretty inexperienced with YouTube videos, so yeah, yeah, interesting. I do want to actually tear this TV down and have a good look at it and see what actually is happening, but my second part of the story is I actually contacted Samsung New Zealand via email and asked them basically, what is the failure rate for these LEDs? You know, they obviously are rated for tens of thousands of hours, and yeah, I just imagine they shouldn't be failing like this. And the other concern was, again, this flaring and brown discoloration in this corner. I know if the LEDs are shorted, they may get hot. This might be some form of heat damage, possibly. And again, I asked Samsung New Zealand via email, you know, is this heat damage a concern? Obviously, I don't want it to go on fire or anything. I presume that's pretty unlikely, but I'm imagining the diffusing screens are damaged in some way or have discolored through heat. Guys, girls, whoever's on here, please, if you have any more information you might be able to help me with, that would be fantastic. Nina the cat would like to know too. Long story short, Samsung New Zealand declined to answer my email. They sent me a nice automated reply saying they'll be in contact within 48 hours. We're currently 1 week and nothing. So thank you, Samsung New Zealand. Yeah, if you want me, I will attempt to tear this TV down at some stage. It will be a part 2. Any comments would be much appreciated. I haven't edited this video, so excuse all the hesitations and things. But yeah, interesting failure and an interesting 0 out of 10 response from Samsung New Zealand. Good on you, Samsung. Anyway, goodbye from Kiwiland, and might catch you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.